Hello, thank you for coming to this page. That is much appreciated. My name is Rob Wynne. I am a British English teacher from London. You may have seen me on the socials. Instagram, I'm on there most days. Well, no, I am on there every day. Live sessions sometimes. I'm on Hello Talk as well. And I may have told you about this really special workshop I'm doing on Sunday, the 7th of August. It will help you to advance your English to a C1 or C2 level. If you don't know what C1 and C2 level are, they are like a native. You have complete understanding of the language, complete comprehension, you can have conversations, and you speak fluently. The workshop will help you get there and essentially teach you how to teach yourself. I'm going to give you lots of techniques that you will actually do during the workshop. It's a hands-on workshop. As I teach you things, then you will put them into practice. What will be included? Speaking skills. How is your speaking? Because if you find it difficult or you don't get practice, I'm going to teach you how to practice your speaking every day, not only online, but face to face. On top of that, I will give you listening and understanding techniques to make sure you are understanding and hearing English every single day. I'm going to teach you how to speak with the accent that you want, how you can improve your pronunciation, your reading and writing skills as well, teaching you daily techniques to improve your reading, improve your writing, and with that, improve your vocabulary. So you will get a larger vocabulary. As well as that, you have exams. I know many of you have your IELTS exams. You're worried about that. I'll also be teaching you techniques and tips to pass those exams. You will be doing tasks in the workshop. Because it's 3 hours, there will be breaks, but during those breaks, you will have tasks as well. Because I know 3 hours may seem a long time, but it will be a relaxed workshop. You'll have breaks. You should have some water with you. That's one of the things. Bring your notebook, bring your pen, bring your water. You'll see down below the date. It's on the 7th of August. That's next Sunday. It starts at 12 midday. That's in the UK time. If you want to come, you'll see there's two options. You can get a live ticket, which means you're there live. You have to be there live to get that. So it's $27, which is a snip because 1 hour with me normally as a private student is $25. So for $2 more, you get 3 hours. That's $9 an hour. And it's going to advance your English to a C1 or C2 level. Remember, you'll learn how to teach yourself and learn those techniques to do every single day. You can also watch it anytime. The replay is $67, but if you want to save money, and it would be better if you're there live because you can interact and I'll answer your questions because there is a Q&A session at the end where you ask me your questions and I will answer them. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you at the workshop. Have a great day.